the title Maritime, abbreviated to MR, which people pronounce as Mr., meaning you are a dead entity that has been lost at sea. So why is accepting the maritime title of Mr. so dangerous? Accepting the maritime title is extremely dangerous if you are a living man or woman, because it means you are consenting to being governed by any and all acts, statutes and legislation that is passed by the entity that created the Cestui Que Vie Trust, which means you have no freedom to choose, are subjecting to being governed and surrendering total control to an authority regarded as being higher than you. As a dead corporate entity, you're consenting to having no lawful rights, because a dead entity has no rights, since they are not living and are therefore not entitled to anything. So what does your straw man control? It controls your bank account, your mortgage, it puts you in the legal system, it controls your voter rights, your passport, your driving license, and your medical records. Since only the law that applies to a living man or woman is do no harm, cause no injury or loss, it means that the entire legal system is unlawful, since it is predicated upon our legal fictions and administering the Cestui Que Vie Trust upon the trustee that accepts responsibility for it by accepting the maritime title of Mr. A judge has no right to judge you as a living man or woman. Acts, statutes and legislation only apply to your legal fiction or legal person, which is your straw man. This is why they insist on creating joinder before entering the building and tricking you into accepting responsibility for your dead entity, your corporate self, by asking you to confirm that you are either Mr., Mrs., Ms. or any other title, for example, Doctor, so that they can apply acts, statutes and legislation to it and then pass them on to you as the living man or woman taking responsibility